Hi, good morning. This is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I'd like to show you how to go back from Gutenberg to Classic Editor. The problem was that my client don't like Gutenberg. It was the end of 2018 that we upgraded all the clients' website from WordPress from 4 to 5, and then they didn't like the user interface for the editing, so that the left-hand side is Gutenberg and the right-hand side is that the classic editor that my clients are used to. So, but the solution is you can actually go back. There's a plugin you can install, and you can go back to classic editor. So let me show that to you. This is my demo site. Let's go to Pages and add a new. So this is a Gutenberg that most of my clients don't like, and then we can install the plugin for that. So let's go to add a new under plugins and then type classic editor, and here it is. And there are 1 million plus active installations, so not just my client, and it's actually a lot of people are probably struggling with that using Gutenberg, that probably the transition is pretty difficult. So that's why they released this classic editor, and lots of people using it, and the 5 stars too. So let's install and activate that. So now you can just go to Pages and add new, and now you can see that the classic editor that you probably are used to. So that's all. So there is always available if you want to having a hard time using Gutenberg, and there's available to go back to classic editor. So I hope this helps.